GitLife Biotech is aiming to bring a fundamental infrastructure to the synthetic biology industry, bring it together into one platform that could ultimately help power drive it into the future and give it the scalability that the industry is lacking.
The process of engineering a cell line is one of the most complex engineering processes that happen on a planet Earth. Throughout that process of engineering a cell line, there are lots of things that go into play. You need to understand the genome of the cell line. You need to understand what the metabolism does. You need to understand what you can tamper and tweak in the cell line. All of this produces a lot of data. Most of it currently is thrown away or kept in disconnected silos. So we are trying to create a platform where the engineers that work on creating those cell lines can deposit all this data and at the same time have an ownership stamp that links the data to the physical sample.
The aspiration, the vision is to become the one-stop shop for synthetic biology, biological asset editing and development.
The Northern Accelerator funded a proof of concept that enabled us to do a little bit of de-risking of the technology, and then more recently funded us executive into business to bring commercial expertise into the team.
I am a symptom of that support. Northern Accelerator has very much given access to some funding and expertise. It actually ran a commercialization process which brought in a venture builder. So they bring the expertise on fundraising, the legals of spinout, and also it enabled people like myself to bring in non-scientific background but have commercial experience to come in and support what is otherwise a deep science-led business and actually complement it and more balance it across the board.
The regional component, I think, is fundamental. We have great science base across all the Northeast University, so having something that targets specifically our region enables us to put ourselves in the map and have a chance to compete.
The funding availability outside of London is always a challenge, and it's shifting because of the creation of funds like the Northern Accelerator.
If I had the opportunity to talk with a fellow academic that is thinking about commercialization, spin-out, I would say try to talk with the Northern Accelerator. There is lots of options out there and go for it.